Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to be at the Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World, the most magical place on earth. We are going to rope drop the park when it opens and stay all day until fireworks. Rope drop means be there as soon as the park opens, and in this case, since we're staying on property, we get to go in 30 minutes before that. This is our family trip with Greg's mom Tamara and his sister Sydnie, and we'll be taking you along with us on our Magic Kingdom day to share all of the fun snacks and food that we tried, as well as all of the rides, including Magic Kingdom's newest ride edition, TRON LIGHTCYCLE RUN, and how we got a virtual queue for it at 7 a.m. so that you know how it works.
We are in the Magic Kingdom. Greg is so excited.
You're used to walking behind her because of that camera.
Yes.
We are rope dropping to Mine Train. That was a little intense for 7 Dwarfs, and we need to pee, so we're going to do other things instead. So here we are, rope dropping Small World instead, because only certain lands are open.
So we are aware that rope dropping It's a Small World sounds ridiculous, and the funny thing is that Greg and I did it last year on our trip too, for those of you that were with our channel back then. But we would rather walk on It's a Small World first thing in the morning than wait 30 minutes for it later in the day. It is a Disney classic, so it's tradition and something that I'm determined to drag Greg on every trip.
You excited for Small World?
I was here less than a year ago.
Oh my goodness, you like Grumpy Greg.
Don't worry, we're not going to torture you and make you watch all this. Time for another classic, The Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host.
We are going to get coffee. People are starting to filter in now. Got our Starbucks. Just hits different, Magic Kingdom. But today, my name is Nick.
Let's do the people move. Oh, you're recording. That's awkward.
Oh!
I love the people move.
Remain seated at all times. Hands, arms, feet, legs.
This is Greg's favorite.
Oh yeah, there's that speed.
This is the TTA Blue Line.
What is this really?
Okay, Grandma.
Surprise!
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover.
Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark.
Time for Space Mountain.
For safety reasons, filming is no longer permitted on Space Mountain.
We survived Space Mountain. We are going on Buzz Lightyear Space Rangers. Currently, we're at a 35-minute wait, and it's 11:05, so we'll see what this turns out to be.
So when we got in line, it was 11:05 a.m., it was a 35-minute posted wait, and we were on by 11:22 a.m. This ride is a laser shooting ride, and you can move the vehicle around side to side. I forgot I was sitting next to Greg, who decided to make us spin like the teacups ride. Listen to his evil laugh as I'm panicking.
Oh, I do not remember it doing that. Gregory, stop! No, 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 no! I really can't.
I was excited to win 27,000.
Good job.
You were 311 pounds.
Greg, how does it feel losing?
Did I lose? I almost made you puke.
Yeah,
I think that's winning. I think that's winning.
He started spinning it around in an uncontrollable circle. It did not feel good at all. We are going now to get our cheeseburger spring rolls. I really set the expectations.
You really did, so I hope I don't disappoint when I say they're gross.
We got our cheeseburger spring roll and our pastrami spring roll. Oh, you probably won't because the film is so long. This is the cheeseburger spring roll. This one's the best one. What would you rate it, Sid?
Like a 9 out of 10.
Ooh, Master pastrami? What would you rate it?
Better than the cheeseburger.
Really?
Oh, I had the pastrami first.
Oh,
Pastrami
okay.
was-
So this pastrami was your 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
What's your cheeseburger rating?
I like the pastrami better.
Really? Okay. So you two are team pastrami and I'm team cheeseburger. That one's my favorite. Did you try either of them?
Yeah.
No.
You didn't want to? Or did we forget to ask?
No, it's just there's cinnamon rolls coming up, right?
Oh no, we eat all day here.
Oh, are
It's
you
Disney.
kidding me?
Oh, you do?
We eat all day.
It's a whole day thing. Like, we're about to go over and get some Dole Whip.
Yeah, we're not done eating.
Not done yet.
We just eat. That's what Disney's all about. Eat.
Okay.
Are you watching your waistline? Because it's not the truth.
This is not where we do that. It's Dole Whip time.
Forgot about
I'll get the tropical serenade. You can get the upside down cake. I need pictures first. Around my Dole Whip.
That is so much better than your this.
Thank you so much. You too, thank you. So Greg got the pineapple upside down cake, and I got the tropical serenade Dole Whip. We're so excited. So let's see. That's a 10 out of 10 Dole Whip. That's delicious. Greg said his Dole Whip is
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10. He's not a
Not
fan. Dry?
Yeah.
Oh, that's unfortunate. The coconut's delicious if anyone wants to try it.
No. No, that's good. No, that's a 10 out of 10.
I'm not an upside down cake person,
Oh.
but I like a Dole Whip.
When it's hot and this like melts into that cake.
So what would
I
you
think
rate that at?
Oh, I'm a 7 out of 10.
Oh, okay.
So Greg, tell me again, whose ice cream are you eating?
Mine.
Megan's?
Mine.
I'm stuck with the pineapple upside down cake, and I don't like upside down cake, so I'm just eating the Dole Whip off the top. He just told me I can have the rest because there's no more Dole Whip.
He took the
It's
good stuff.
all juice. Okay, so we're all done our Dole Whip, and it is now time. We just got called for our boarding group to Tron, so we're on our way over there.
So for anyone who hasn't been to Disney World recently, TRON LIGHTCYCLE RUN is the brand new ride in the Magic Kingdom. This isn't a ride you can walk up to and get in line. You need to get a boarding group by attempting to get a virtual queue at 7 a.m. Eastern Time on the My Disney Experience app, which means if you are successful in getting a boarding group, as it's very competitive, you'll be called at some point during the day when it's your turn to go wait in line for the ride. You can ride it by paying for an individual lightning lane on the My Disney Experience app, and that way you can bypass the line and select the time that you wish to ride. So basically, to summarize the virtual queue that we did, you sign up to wait in a line until you're allowed to physically wait in a line. So it is 6:56 a.m. and I am currently working on getting us our virtual queue for Tron. I heard the trick is that you have to keep hitting refresh over and over again, but confirm your party in advance so it knows who your people are in the party, and hit refresh over and over again before 7 o'clock because it will probably go live a couple minutes before 7. Okay, I did it. Why is it so stressful? We are boarding group 53, and now I can finish getting ready.
TRON LIGHTCYCLE RUN is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster. Prepare to be digitized.
All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid.
Here are the lockers for Tron. Can't take the GoPro or the backpack.
There's a compartment on the ride vehicle to store your cell phone or small items.
How was it? It was good. It was fun. Too quick.
Yes, way too quick.
Way too
I
quick.
wouldn't spend $20 for a $60 ride.
Yeah, it was so fast. When it was the end, I was like, is there more?
It was actually impressively smooth. I wouldn't pay for it. Do it for free with the virtual queue. Time for the Carousel of Progress.
You're in for a real treat. The Carousel of Progress was Walt's own idea from beginning to end.
So, got the pepper jack stuffed pretzel. How is it?
Eh,
Oh, see, I'm obsessed with pretzels.
Yeah, I like pretzels. I'll try a bite.
It's a little stale this time.
Is it warm?
It's warm. It's a little stale. Usually it's like an 8. This time I'd say it's 5.
That's what I would have said.
We're just saying the weather's so nice today that we're seeing a lot less like tantrums, and Greg says he also feels a lot less tantrumy with the weather. It's beautiful. There's such a nice breeze. It's the perfect day for Magic Kingdom. Where are we going, Greg?
up your butt.
Is this your favorite place in the whole Walt Disney World?
Yep, 223. Had enough of you.
We're in Gaston's. Greg got his Lefou's Brew and his ginormous cinnamon roll. And I got the gray stuff.
I can hold
cupcake.
it. Oh my goodness.
Still a 10 out of 10.
They're not fresh.
It's the time of day.
Did you go in the morning the last time?
It was cold.
This is like 7 out of 10. I'm not eating the bottom part of the cupcake. I just wanted the gray stuff. What would you rate your Lefou's Brew?
I would rate it 10 out of 10. It's perfect. I love apple juice though.
He gave me a piece of cinnamon roll.
Oh.
He does love me after all. So what would you rate one that's not freshly baked? An 8 out of 10. So last year was a 10 out of 10 for anyone who remembers last year's, but it's because it was right in the morning, it was hot and fresh. These ones might have been sitting out for a little bit.
Lefou's Brew's always a 10. It's the best of the park.
Would you rate your cinnamon roll?
I would say I love the flavor of it, but I can tell that I had it like in the afternoon. 5, but it has potential to be an 8.
You got a puddle of icing,
Yeah, it has a puddle of icing.
so it just makes it moist, so it keeps it at an 8.
We're on our way to Big Thunder Mountain and Pirate. See what we can get to. We just got stuck around the parade again. We are at a 30-minute wait for Big Thunder.
Yeah.
Touched everything in this queue.
Smell my finger.
All right, Sid, drive safely.
No problem, Sid.
So we snagged a very lucky last-minute reservation to Be Our Guest. So we are headed there now instead of Pirate.
Be Our Guest is a Beauty and the Beast themed restaurant in Fantasyland. We're going to save this one for a future vlog on its own.
We could have been that too. Maybe I can get it from Eugene. He's currently been wearing around the kingdom because he says it brings a shine out of his smolder. Maybe I can get it from him and we can match together.
Sounds good.
Perfect. Thank you. The best day ever.
Thank you, you too.
That's
your favorite. We are going to the Hall of Presidents for our lovely Sydnie here.
Our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, the presidents of the United States of America.
Are you happy with that?
The person who did the introduction could have had a little bit more excitement. That's all I'm saying.
She wasn't feeling as patriotic as
No,
you.
she wasn't.
Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Oh no.
Jungle Cruise. You want to do the jungle gym thing? I mean, if you guys say.
I'm off the clock.
You're not off the clock. Not yet. We're still in the park.
Well, there you have it. We made it from rope dropping the park opening until fireworks. Somehow we lucked out this day with lighter crowds and very tolerable weather. It was a perfect Magic Kingdom day. Thank you so much for watching our latest adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to follow along on our next adventure. Thanks for watching.